So, hi, for the team of scholarship Mississippi, electricity bill calculator, and username and password validation. Here, yung scholarship eligibility. So, ito. Yung hinihingi natin is yung average and yung income. Average and income. And the first condition is if yung average daw is mas 90 pataas and yung income is 20K, 200K pataas is full scholarship siya. Then, if yung average is mas 85 pataas is and yung income is 500K, is partial scholarship lang siya. And if yung first two conditions na nabasa is not eligible. So next. Then naman is electricity bill. So hinihingi natin yung kilowatts per hour. So ito. Esther equals 50. Ito, fix na to. Fix to. Fix yung 50 na value niya. So ito, first condition. If kilowatt is less than 100 and ang rate niya is 5 lang. Then, if yung kapag hindi niya limit yan, or mas mataas yan, or mas mababa, ang rate niya is 8. Then, yung computation ng total kung magkano ba yung yields. So, you can see it. Lalabas na lang yung output. Gumamit siyang formatted decimals. So, let's try it. No. Let's proceed to username and password validation. So, ito. Name is a username and password. Here is the first condition. If the username na is admin and your password is 12345, ang nangyayari niya is login successful. And if di naman niya yung username and password, well, lalabas is invalid credentials. So let's try it. Ayan. Sa episode 1, try it lang. It must turn natin yung full scholarship. Wala. Okay, correction. So ito. Kung ang average is mataas sa 90 and yung income is pababa sa 200, ang niya is full scholarship. Then, if mas mataas naman sa 85, yung 85 pataas, then yung income is 500 pababa, 500K pababa, lalabas is partial scholarship. And if hindi niya na-meet yung condition na yan, is not eligible. That's right. Yan, full scholarship. Let's try the partial scholarship. Enter average is 88. And family income is 403. Partial. Then if try natin na not eligible siya. Paano if yung average na is 85. Pero yung income na is, let's say, is mag-exceed sa 500K. Try natin 600K. So, yeah. Not eligible siya. Then, another sa love is yung electricity bill. Ayan. Yung consume natin is, sabihin natin, 85. So, yan. Ito lang yung, asa niya. Ito lang ulit. If yung KWH is magbasa 100, ito is 5 lang. Times 5 lang yun. Try. Share natin. 85 times 5. 125 plus 50. Yan. So you can see 475 ang lumabas. So, tama na siya. So, let's try is yung username and password validation. So, ang sabi sa username and password validation, if yung username is admin, is equal to admin, and the password is 12345, mag-login sa successful siya. So, let's try. 12345. Yeah. Sige, tama siya. So, paano kapag mali? Kapag iba yung ininput ko? Admin, tapos 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see invalid ang credentials dahil ang password is mali. Na dapat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ang passwords niya. So, ayun lang sa log 3. I hope maintindihan kayo. Thank you for watching listening.